Hello hookers, welcome back to Inspired by a Smile. This is Christy with a brand new tutorial for you. I'm making a pom-pom with this nice fluffy yarn and my 4mm hook. And this is what it looks like on the hat I made. It's really nice and fluffy and inexpensive to make. So if you want to try it out, grab your fluffy yarn and the hook and let's get started. Alright, so I've got my 4mm and my fluffy yarn. And we're going to chain 4. Take your time. I know it's a little tedious to work with this stuff. And if you're new to it, you're just feeling for the stitches instead of seeing them. So again, chain 4. This is actually the magic circle. I just do it this way. And so I got my 4. I'm just going to join it at the end with a slip stitch. While you're doing that, I would like to thank everyone for watching my videos so far and coming along my journey with me. I really do appreciate you. Now I'm going to do a chain, and then you're going to do 10 half double crochet into the circle. So feel for the middle, you can feel it, and just go at it. So you want to, again, you're going to do 10 half double crochet into the circle. While you're doing that, I would like to take a second just to say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you are subscribed with notifications on. And if you would like to follow me on any of my other social media accounts, they're all linked at the top of my page. Or at the top of the channel, sorry. And if you'd like to make a one-time donation to PayPal, that's up there too. It's not expected, but it's appreciated if you want to tip me as an artist. I also have Patreon set up. It's more like a subscription thing though. It's $3 a month. And I didn't mention it in my other tutorial actually, which I should be mentioning. You can now subscribe to me on my Facebook page. It's only $1.29 a month, and it just helps support me as an artist. You get a subscriber badge as well, and exclusive subscriber benefits. Right now I am giving away a creation to anyone that subscribes. I have 1 subscriber so far on there, which is pretty awesome. So again, if you want to follow me or donate or subscribe, all my links are at the top of my YouTube channel. This yarn is definitely fun to use, but it works up nice. Also, I am doing a giveaway on my Facebook page. If you want to go check it out, it's pinned at the top of my page. Now I'm at the beginning. I'm just going to do 2 half double crochet into the first stitch. I'm so excited to be making this. I came up with the idea since I don't have a white pom-pom and I wanted a white one for the hat I was making. So I thought, why not make one and see how it goes, and it turned out really good. And I had the white fluffy yarn, so that helped. So now after that, you want to do 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Just make sure you carefully feel for your stitches, and then you won't miss any. If you do miss any, I mean, it's not the end of the world. You won't see it, but you just won't have enough increased stitches here. That's the only thing. It's not so bad on the other rows. So again, you want to do 2, 1, and then 2 half double crochet all the way around for this row till you get to the beginning. You'll end with 2 in the same stitch, and that should be in the same as your stitch marker, so just keep going. Alright, so that's the end of that row. So this row and the next one, you're going to do 1 half double crochet in each stitch. And that's for 2 rows total, including this one. So again, 1 half double crochet in each stitch, feeling carefully along as you go. So nice and fluffy. Awesome. So just do those 2 rows, guys, and I'll be right back to show you how to do the last row. Okay, so that's all done, the 2 rows. Now we're going to do a decrease row before finishing this up. And you're just going to do that by simply skipping a stitch every 2 stitches. So feel for it, that you're going to skip that stitch and then go in the next one, do a half double crochet, and then another one right after that. I'm actually going to go through this whole row with you. Now you're going to feel for them and go into the next, well, you got to skip that one and then go into that one. Also, guys, while we're doing this, if you have any tutorial requests, let me know. I do like to hear from you. Some of my best watched tutorials are suggested by you guys. And if you have any questions at all for any of my tutorials, please ask too, because it's why I'm available on every platform basically, so that if you have to ask, you can ask me right on the tutorial itself too. So we're just going to keep going with skipping a stitch and then going over and then doing 2 in a row. We're going to do that all the way till we get to the stitch marker. This is definitely a great alternative if you want to just try and make one yourself, and it's definitely cheaper. I got this yarn at the dollar store actually. They have good yarn there, so I definitely didn't overpay for this. I usually just rip them off of the dollar store hats, actually, the pom-poms. It's cheaper also. So I'm at the end there. I skipped a stitch and did a slip stitch. Now just cut enough because we just got to sew that together now after stuffing it. So again, guys, I do want to thank everyone for watching my videos so far. I really do appreciate you. And again, if you want to subscribe and turn on notifications, if you haven't already, make sure you do. You won't miss any new videos coming up. And make sure you're following me on all my platforms that you're on. Okay, so you probably don't have to do this part either, but I did end up turning it inside out. It's pretty fluffy on both sides, but I turned it inside out anyway. So now I'm just going to stuff it enough to make sure it keeps its form. Awesome. And again, guys, if you do want to go check out my Facebook page, the giveaway is active until next month, and it's pinned at the top of my page. And if you are able to and want to, you can donate to my PayPal or sign up to my Patreon or do my subscription thing on Facebook. It's only $1.29 a month, but it goes a long way when I have more than one subscriber, and even having just one got me really excited actually. It's awesome that you all support me. Oh, and don't forget to like the video. I didn't mention that yet. If you can like it, it keeps it bumped up in the algorithm and is really appreciated. Other people definitely need to see this, and it'll keep it in the algorithm. So, alright, so we're just going to thread that. And you're just going to go along the bottom and just cinch it like that. Make sure your stuffing is inside. You can push it down with your thumb. I can't wait to make a hat with this. The one I made is going to be going, I do random acts of crochet kindness, and I made the one hat for that. Now I got to make another one for me because it is really comfortable actually. The one that I made that first one for. Come on, needle. There we go. Can't wait to see now if I can find some more colorful stuff of this and make some more pom-poms. I'm hooked on fluffy pom-poms. Alright, so I just literally went through the bottom and through the side with that to fasten off. And just be careful, pull it tight enough, and you can just snip it and it'll hide itself into the pom-pom. This was such a quick tutorial, it feels like it took 2 seconds to do this for you. Awesome job, guys, we did it. Sexy pom-pom. Yay!